Welcome Nursing 662 students. This is Audrey Torres and I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. The title of our course is Leadership, Role, Identity, Organizational Systems Change. My information is listed below. My email with the University of Hawaii is atorres9@hawaii.edu. My cell phone is listed 808-372-2771. I prefer text messages if it's during business hours, and in the evening time, it's fine I can take calls. I welcome your feedback throughout this semester. My goal is to grade your assignments timely within 1 week of the due date. Assignment dates are loaded in the course introduction tab, as well as the assignments tab in Laulima, and the forums tab within the forums section of Laulima. This will be a busy semester. It will go by quickly. Please keep up with your assignments. If for any reason, emergently, you're unable to complete your assignment on time, please email me prior to the assignment due date, and I will consider the reason and the rationale for your requesting an extension. Please follow APA format for all of your scholarly papers and your writing through forums. Please note the dates when we have our 3 synchronous sessions, and please plan accordingly. If you're not able to make the synchronous session, you will have 72 hours from the time the session is posted to Laulima to complete your asynchronous assignment. My video presentations are short and they are loaded every week through lessons. This is an independent learner online class, just as a reminder, but I'm very confident that all of you can do this. This will be a fun learning semester. Welcome aboard.